Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. Alright, so before we move towards today's lesson, let's give a look at what we have learned in previous lesson. So here we have learned the animals' names. I hope that you do remember all of them and you have memorized them. If you have any trouble still, you can always go back and watch the video lesson and memorize again. Alright, now let's move towards our today's lesson. Today we are going to learn the body parts or the parts that we have on our head. So this is head, and in Urdu it is called sar. Sar. Head, sar. Alright, now let's learn to say eye, eyes, eye, and in Urdu aankh, aankh. In English, eye. In Urdu, aankh. The nose, nose. Naak, naak. In English, nose, and in Urdu, naak. Lips, lips. Haunt, haunt. In English, lips, and in Urdu, haunt. Now let's repeat one more time. In English we say eye, and in Urdu, aankh. In English we say nose, and in Urdu, naak. In English we say lips, and in Urdu, haunt. Repeat many times for practice. Now, let's learn to say ear, ear. Kaan, kaan. Hair, hair. Baal. In English we say ear, and in Urdu, kaan. In English we say hair, and in Urdu, baal. Now let's repeat one more time. Ear, kaan. Hair, baal. Repeat many times for practice. Alright, so let's ask and answer. So before we move towards that, I hope that you do remember the words that we've learned in our previous lesson. The word what. In Urdu we say kya. And the word this. In Urdu we say ye. So what is in English? Kya is in Urdu. This is in English. Ye is in Urdu. So we ask and say, what is this? So this is in English. In English we ask a question and we say, what is this? And in Urdu we say, ye kya hai? Ye kya hai? Now you can see a picture of the nose, right? So the question is, what is this about this picture? And in Urdu we say, ye kya hai? And we reply and answer and say, this is a nose. Right? In English we say that, this is a nose. And in Urdu we reply and say, ye naak hai. What is this? This is a nose. ये क्या है? ये नाक है. Repeat many times for practice. I hope you have understood everything clearly. Alright, so this is the end of our today's lesson. Do watch the video and memorize and watch again for better practice. I will see you in next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.